Hi friends, welcome to Cool Ketchup. Today we are going to see Akkara Adisal, that is a sweet pongal, sugar pongal, normally how we call it as Sakkara pongal, but it is an authentic taste and authentic method of doing sugar pongal that is called as Akkara Adisal. Come on, let's see that recipe. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll get my regular updates. Come, let's move on to the recipe now. To prepare this pongal, we need 1 cup of rice, that is in this measuring cup, in the same measuring cup I have taken 1 heaped cup of unboiled rice, that is raw rice, which we call as pacharisi in Tamil. Then half kg jaggery, which I have pounded and kept like this. For 1 cup half kg. Then 1.5 liter of milk, that is in this 1.5 liter I have taken 1 liter of milk and half liter I have added water, because if it is too thick also rice will not get cooked easily. For that I have taken 1 liter of milk plus half liter of water. Altogether I have taken in this bowl. For this pongal we need more ghee actually. For this 1 cup of rice I have taken around 150 ml of ghee, that is homemade ghee I have taken. Ghee should be added without fussing, because this pongal gives taste only when you add more ghee and milk to it. So while adding milk, you try to add the thick cream milk, and you can mix water if it is too thick. Then 150 ml of ghee. Then cashews and raisins for sorting. We have to sort and add it. Come, let's see the recipe of pongal. Before that, we have to wash this rice. This raw rice we have to wash twice and we have to keep. Now first we are going to boil this milk. For that I have taken thick bottom vessel. I have taken a copper vessel. You can take any thick bottom vessel. Actually if you want you can even cook it with pressure cooker. But the taste with this vessel, that is open pot cooking, it will be very nice. So you have to spend little time for more tastier food always. Actually it will be very nice if you do with open pot cooking, but it takes little time, like around half an hour it takes. Now I have washed this rice twice and I have soaked with water, so that let it sit for around 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile the milk will get boiled. Around 1 hour it takes for this 1 cup of rice, because it has to boil slowly, but the taste will be really awesome and it will be yummy. You will never forget this taste. So try this once. You will really love it. You will not do the closed pot cooking, closed pot pongal. Try this recipe. Let it boil for some time. Once the milk boils, then we have to add the rice. Now the milk is boiled. Now I am transferring little milk to another vessel, because while cooking you can add little by little. Now we are adding the rice now, but after adding the rice you have to stir it continuously, otherwise it will become little brown at the bottom. It will be sticking, so we should be little careful. See here, like this you have to add the rice and you have to stir it continuously, and slowly you have to stir it. It is a little long process, but you will deserve it. Actually for this Akkara Adisal we should be very gentle enough in adding ghee. So I have taken almost equal quantity of rice and ghee. So please don't reduce the ghee. Even if you are very health conscious, you can prepare monthly once or 2 months once, but have it a little tasty with a little quantity. But it should be a proper Akkara Adisal. There is a saying, like it is a very famous recipe in Brahmins actually. So Brahmins, and especially in temples. So why it is called as like Akkara Adisal? Whenever you hold that pongal in your palm, that ghee should come and drop in your elbow. That is that much ghee you have to add. So we should be gentle enough in adding the ghee actually. See here, now it is half cooked actually. Still it has to cook some more time. Actually for this pongal ratio should be perfect. For 1 cup of rice I have taken 2.5 cup of jaggery powder and 1 cup of ghee. ghee and rice should be of same ratio, and jaggery it is like 2.5, 1:2, 2.5 ratio we have taken. So rice 1 cup, ghee 1 cup, then jaggery 2.5 cup. This is a ratio for this akkara adisal, but please don't compromise for ghee. If you add more ghee only, it will give nice taste and you will get the authentic taste of akkara adisal. So please add more ghee. See here, now it is cooked completely. You can check like this. See here, it is smashed nicely. So this is the consistency for this akkara adisal. You should not take before. Now it is completely cooked. Once it is completely cooked, then only you should add the jaggery powder. You should not add before that, because the rice will not cook. Then once if you add jaggery, the rice will not cook further. So once it is completely done, now we are going to add the jaggery powder. Now we are going to add this jaggery powder. So as I said, 1 ratio of rice, 1 ratio of ghee, and 2.5 ratio of jaggery powder, and 7 ratio of milk and water together we have taken. So milk around 2.5 liters we have taken, but in the glass measurement 7 cups it will come. See, all this I have added, but like normal sugar pongal will not get the dark yellow color pongal actually, because since we have prepared with milk, it will be little whitish in color, so you will not get that yellow shade actually. It will be mild yellow, very pale yellow we will get, but the taste will be really good. For looking you might feel it is less sweet actually. Now we have to mix nicely with that heat only. This jaggery, whichever is little big pieces, it will melt off once you start stirring it. See how nicely it is rolling and coming. It is really a mouth-watering dish. It is my mom's traditional recipe which I love to eat from her hand actually. Even I have tried, many of my friends like this recipe, so I just want to share with you all so that even you can try this recipe. You have to stir until the sugar melts, I mean jaggery melts. You have to stir it for authentic flavor, so please don't compromise in adding ghee. It is almost like halwa. It is really looking so soft, and see, you can see that creamy texture. It comes like a butter. Now we are going to add this ghee to this pongal. You can see this, how nice it is to see, but when you taste it will be more sweeter and tasty than seeing. You have to try this recipe, see, but please don't compromise ghee quantity for this akkara adisal. It has to be done with this much ghee, then only it will be nice, but this will absorb all the ghee actually. See here. Now we are going to add all the nuts now, raisins, cashews and badams, which I have sorted with 1 spoon of ghee. We are going to add this. It is really going to be yummy. You can try this during even Pongal festival also. You can try this. If you are doing it in a little quantity also, it is fine, but if you do this way, the sweet will be really awesome, tasty. Your children will like it. It is very healthy for kids actually, because we have added jaggery, we have added so much ghee and nuts. Adults, we can have it in a little quantity. Though it is more with ghee, you can have it in a little quantity with the authentic taste of akkara adisal. See how nicely it is rolling and coming. Like a butter it is rolling. That's all. Our akkara adisal is ready to serve. See, you can see that ghee floating. It should be there, then only it is authentic akkara adisal. So don't think that ghee is excess. It should be there. This much has to be added. That's all. It is done now. We can transfer to a bowl. Okay friends, I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and leave your comment in the comment box, and do subscribe my channel so that you'll get my regular updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.